Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna vlog. Why did I say for today's video? Anyway, yes, I'm gonna do a haul because I'm really excited to show it to you guys. Plus, I have a upcoming giveaway, probably next month, but yeah, next month, so watch out for that. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing for my BoxyCharm month subscription, and also for the makeup that I got from Walmart that I forgot to show, and also from the DHL. Not from the DHL, but my sister sent me some makeup, and then you'll see that later. But yeah, I'm gonna show it to you, then I'll talk to you guys later. Anyway, my sister got me all this stuff, but anyway, thank you to my sister Sydney. Thank you. Yeah, so let's just start with this brand right here. This is from Blissable Cebu. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm sorry, but that brand right there, they're, I believe, local brand from Cebu that they sell lip tint. So yeah, this one right here, I got the not lip tint, yeah, this is the Cloud Blush Tube, and I got the 4 shades. Let me see. So I got the shade Aurora Red, Chiffon Rose, Peach Pearl, and Fusion Coral. So that's that, and got a card right here. It says, thank you, we hope you enjoy your purchase, we'd love to hear your thoughts or see pictures from you. And there you go, you guys. Check their Instagram account right there, and also their Facebook. So that's that. If you're from Cebu City, I think they do meetup, because I asked my sister to do a meetup with this brand right here. So yeah, that's what she did. So don't worry, all of this makeup right here, I'm in the process of filming them. That's why I'm just gonna show you, because I'm gonna be filming like separate videos of all of these makeup products right here, and I'm just very excited and to share my thoughts about this makeup. So anyway, I have here also Sunny's Fluff Matte, yeah, right there. This is a weightless modern matte lipstick. This is not a liquid lipstick, it's just a lipstick. I got this 2 shade because some of the shade I think I have it already, like, you know, they're just like pretty similar, but I know I have this kind of color, but I was just curious about the formula of this one because this is overhyped. So yeah, I got the 2 shade Vacay and Bake, and I also got their Life Brow. This is a brow define. Come on, focus. Okay, there you go. A brow defining skinny pencil, yeah, from Sunny's Face in the shade Warm Brown. So I don't know if this is gonna be my shade, because I normally use my Anastasia right here, but yeah, we'll see if this is gonna match my face. I mean, match my eyebrow, because I normally use dark. So anyway, next is one Miss Bello. This is the Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. I know they have another one, the BB cream, and I think this is the new one. I'm not sure, and I forgot like the shade thing. I told my sister to get the darkest one because I have to talk to you guys about that later. But yeah, yeah, this is the sunscreen, and I like it because it's yellow. The yellow is my favorite color. And next one is BLK Cosmetics. This is the foundation, all day matte liquid foundation, and I got the shade Sand, and also this is the concealer, all day brightening concealer, correcting plus concealer in the shade Buttermilk. And then last, I think but not the least, is 2 liquid phenomenal liquid lipstick, and I also got, I think there's this new lip and cheek tint from Vice Cosmetics as well. Water gel lip and cheek tint right there. I got the 2 shades. I got 2 highlighter from Vice Cosmetics as well, and 2 blush on. I was about to ask her like for contour. I think I did, but anyway, case you just probably forgot. So that's that. Actually got this, guys, at Walmart. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder, and this one right here, Revlon. This is so expensive, like $7, almost $8. And this is the Revlon Candid Antioxidant Concealer, and the shade light medium. I will tell you about this one because I used this to be like a week or two ago. Yeah, that's that, and I just forgot to show you. Anyway, from BoxyCharm, I got this box yesterday night. It came in the mail, and be giving away some of the products here in a minute. So first in the box is this Luxie Summer Days brush set, and that is retail for $28. Yeah, for those three. Next one I'm really excited about is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, which is, this is like a highlighter in the shade Summer Haze, and that retails for $27. I will be keeping those. And then the one that I will be giving away, you guys, is this Bold Bronze Eye Pencil right there. I'll be giving that away, and I'll also be giving this away, this holographic lip gloss from the brand Appeal. Okay, the Appeal one is retail for $21, the holographic lipstick, I think, lip gloss. And then the, what's the brand of this one? Bodyography. Okay, Bodyography, where are you? Oh, the eye pencil retails for $14. So those two. But I will also be giving this away. This is the Pure Complexion Authority Festival palette. So right there. Okay, let me just open, you guys. Okay, guys, sorry if you're gonna win this. I'm sorry, I just need to kind of like open it. Oh, I forgot, they have like the shade right here and the name. So that's that. And you guys, it comes with this Pure Get a Trip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So I'll have to put that back in the box. So you will be also I will be also giving this away, this palette right here, because I have so many palettes, and like, you know, I just don't want to keep them because I know myself, like I'm not gonna use it because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. So let me just open it for you. Alright, I was having a hard time. So anyway, this is the Pure Festival palette. Comes with a mirror, and then I'm just not gonna show because you can see me. But yeah, yeah, and it has this beautiful, oh my goodness, look how pretty that is. It has the shade Gypsy, Wild Child, the pink, ooh, and then Hidden Desert, something like that. You got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmers, and 1, 2, 3, 4 matte. So yeah, I will be giving this away, and this retails for $36, you guys. So whoever's gonna win this, you're gonna probably love it. But yeah, just stay tuned on my giveaway. But do you think that I'm done? No, girl, I still got you. Yeah, I forgot that I have this. This is supposed to be for my sister, but I'm gonna send the box tomorrow. So yeah, anyway, I got this myself. 2 primer from Wet n Wild. This is the matte primer. This is the photo face primer. So this one is mine, and this is gonna be for the giveaway. And also I will be giving the e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade Deep Brown, and also this brushes right here. I think I will be doing 2 winners or 3 winners. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do 3 winners this time, because yes, last giveaway I was just doing 2 winners, but this time I will be giving 3 winners, so 3 lucky winners. And don't worry, because I'm still in the process of like getting, like, you know, like trying to put more products right here so you guys can have a lot of makeup. But yeah, those are just like the makeup that you're gonna win. But don't worry, I'll be updating you guys like what more makeup products that you will be winning on this giveaway. Stay tuned. I will be announcing that next month, because next month is my birthday. So yeah, that's that. Okay, sorry, but last but not the least, I also forgot that I got this concealer from e.l.f. Now I remember, because I was about to do like a full face using e.l.f., but I think I'm not gonna do that. I'll just be doing like what's new in drugstore. But anyway, this is the 16-hour camo concealer, and also get the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation and the e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzing powder. You know what, might as well just put this on the giveaway. Do you want this in a giveaway? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay guys, so that was the whole boxy I keep saying boxy charm. That was the whole unboxing. So yeah, I literally just put my foundation, primer, foundation, concealer, and some eyebrows, and I have to put some lashes on because I will be reviewing the Vice Cosmetics liquid lipstick, the phenomenal liquid lipstick, the water and gel, I believe water tint gel lip tint from Vice Cosmetics, and also the two blushes and two highlighters. So I'm really excited about that. My plan was supposedly reviewing also the BLK foundation and the concealer, but it's already late because I went to the gym. I didn't vlog because my camera was charging. I went to the gym, and yeah, so yeah, it's okay if I didn't vlog at the gym because I just like literally want to work out and focus on working out. So that's why I forgot and I didn't end up, you know, bringing my camera. But anyway, if you haven't watched my workout with me and also the latest vlog, I will probably just insert a card or leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, what I did earlier was just like mainly on my lower abs and my love handle. So that was like the main thing, because I did a legs. I actually go there every other day now, you guys, because after work, if I'm not bored, if I'm not tired, I will go ahead and straight to the gym after work. Mind you, I work 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and I have to drive all the way, because the Planet Fitness, I'll just have to pass it by before, you know, before our house. So yeah, yeah, so today I don't know if I have to go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, because I'm looking for a makeup brush holder. No, not makeup brush holder, but like the travel, because we are going to Vegas next month for my birthday. It's gonna be my birthday month next month. Yeah, so yeah, May 28th, so that's my birthday. So yeah, I'm looking for a whatchamacallit, and also luggage. I'm kind of like looking for luggage, because the luggage, you guys, when we went to the Philippines, I think it was like American Airlines or Cebu Pacific, I don't know which two of those, it was like connecting flight, they broke my luggage. So yeah, but we had a refund for that. I think we had a refund, I don't know. And then anyway, I will just update you guys, because I can't really film right now because my husband is talking to the phone in the office. Plus, you know, the office, that room was like kind of like his office, like my beauty room. So anyways, I'm just gonna wait for him to be done so I can review the whole Vice Cosmetics liquid lipstick, lip tint, and blush and highlighter. So yeah, okay, I need to get my thing together, but I will talk to you guys later. Let me just get a coffee and I will check on you guys later.
A few inches later.
Guys, I just got done filming, and guess what? This is the Vice Cosmetics right there. I kind of like review the blushes, highlighter, liquid lipstick, and also the water gel tint. So make sure to watch that, because that will be up first, then this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna try to clean my mess right here, then I will talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so I thought I'm just gonna stay in the house, but I guess not. I'm going to BJ's because my husband, he asked for a coffee creamer and coffee creamer, and also gonna buy some cheesecake. This is not for me actually, and some salad mixes for me because I ran out of salad mix. Yeah, so anyway, I'm just gonna go to Walmart and BJ's. So yeah, I have vlog for this day. They're fixing up some other car. I don't know whose car are they fixing. He's outside fixing car. So anyway, and oh my goodness, I'll just get a gas tomorrow because I forgot. Wait, do I have? Okay, I have my BJ's card. Anyway, yeah, so it is 7:11, 7 o'clock, and it's still kind of bright because, and I like it because it's still bright. I think the sunset is like around 7:37. I look on my Weather Channel app. So yes. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys later on. Okay guys, change plans first. I'm going to meet with Viola first, just real quick, because they're in Solomon's and I'm kind of hungry, and there's like restaurants over there, so I gotta eat. I don't know if I'm gonna eat there. Let's just see, because she told me that they're still eating, so hopefully I'm just gonna eat where they eat. Yeah, so you're gonna meet Viola again. So yeah, I'm just gonna drive there. I'm not far from whatchamacallit, Solomon's, because I'm already passing California. So yeah, it's kind of like a couple miles away. Let's see how many minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes, so it's not that far. I just have to cross the bridge and that's it. So yeah, I will check on you guys later.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, so I didn't vlog. I forgot my camera. I forgot to bring the camera. Well, we actually ate. Well, I ate the old, because when I went there, they're finished and they were just drinking. But I'm here at the gas station now. I just stopped and get some gas, and I'm gonna go to Walmart since the BJ's is closed already. So I'll just have to go to Walmart, and you guys are coming with me since I don't know, I totally forgot to bring the camera because I'm using this one. And once I took this out, I took this out, like the camera in the car mount, and I forgot to put it in my purse. So anyway, let's just go to Walmart and we'll see you there. Guys, so I'm here at Walmart and I'm going to get a battery. Hi guys, I just got green scale spinach, spring mix, yogurt, and coffee creamer. I'm looking for the cheesecake. Hey guys, so I'm on my way home. This vlog is, I don't know, everywhere. Yeah, so I'm on the way home. I didn't find the New York cheesecake that my mom's boyfriend liked, so I called him. They didn't have it, and he was fine with it. So anyway, and I forgot my Cheetos, my hot Cheetos. I'm excited to try this ice cream, the Halo Top ice cream. I got the cookies and cream and chocolate. So yeah, you guys, this lashes is way too dramatic and long. Every time I put my glasses on, I have to kind of like put it downward like this so I can see, because I put it like this, it will like block the whole thing. So
a few moments later.
Okay guys, so I got another pure package from Submerged Bikinis, and I'm really excited, and I'm just gonna do this very quick because my battery is low. So they sent me this piece right here. This is, I forgot the name of this piece, but I will probably put it in the screen. I think this is the Sasha top. Yeah, and then it's $28 for this top. And you guys, the quality of this one, so make sure to go ahead and check on her Instagram. I will also leave the Instagram account on the description box, so make sure to check that out right there. And I'm excited at the bottom because, girl, this is giving me like, ooh, this is so sexy. Look at that bottom. Like, you can see your soul from this. And this is the back right there, and this is the front. It's very sexy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna probably end the vlog here, and hope you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm sorry, this vlog is all over the place. It's the main reason why I'm vlogging right now, or I start the vlog, because I want to show you kind of like the haul, but want to show you what I got, and then it's just went left, right, something like that. So anyways, I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow again, because like I said, I'm gonna be going to Clarice's house, and we're going to Rockville to eat lechon, and we're gonna do a kung fu tea. So I'm really excited. So yeah, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.